walk back to mommy. Come on.
Come on, buddy. There you go, baby boy.
Yay! Okay, back to daddy.
You can do it. Come on.
Shake your leg. Oh, that's okay. Get up. Get up. Up, up, up. Okay, okay. Keep going. A few more steps.
Yeah.
Yay! Again. Okay, one more. Now you just be a goof. Okay, ready? You done? You done? Oh, no, we didn't have a turn. Okay, last time.
Come on. Yeah.
Okay, let's take a break.
One more walkabout to mama.
Okay, last
You
time.
can do it.
Okay, use all your intelligence. Oh, so close! Yay! Is that my hug? The closest we get to cuddling?